Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before I start working on the car, please help me subscribe and click that bell notification so every time I have a new video you guys be updated. But I'm working on a 2017 Hyundai Elantra 2.0 liter and has a check engine light code for the coolant thermostat P0128, and it's only one code. I bought the thermostat from Hyundai OEM. This is the part number, thermostat assembly. And, this is the thermostat. And it comes with the sensor too. Here's the sensor in the back right here. And it's located right under the alternator. So there's two bolts that's holding onto it. You can see, let me focus the camera. So you can see this one bolt right here, and then there's another one right here. I used my quarter extension and my swivel 12mm to sneak my way in there. Now you want to do this when the car is completely cooled down. You don't want the coolant to be hot. You're gonna burn yourself. And make sure you have a bucket down there to catch the coolant. And I'll be giving them new coolant. So you can see my ratchet, my quarter ratchet right here with the extension. You can see I got it to sit on the bolt right there. You can see that I have no problem reaching down, getting the bolt just like that. Got the bolt out. So I was able to get the whole pipe out. I struggle. It's kind of hard. So when so the thermostat sits like this. When I try to separate this lock, to separate this black piece from the thermostat, for some reason I just cannot figure out a way to get this piece to separate it out. It had this white lock sitting across like this, and then I pry it out, try all kinds of ways to get this black piece to separate, but it's just way too hard. So I end up separate the hose from the pipe. I used my snap ring plier with the wire. It was at a weird angle, so I had to get it from the bottom like this. Using my tools from the bottom, I had to pinch the clamps together, separate the hose from the black piece right here, and then I disconnect the negative on the battery. Took out the battery terminal right here and the connector to give me some room to move the whole assembly out. For you to get a better view on what I'm talking about, you can see my tool. It pinched onto the clamps right here to get it to loose, to separate it out. I got this snap-on tool. It's kind of pricey, but I can show you the part number right there. That's the part number. If you guys want to buy the tool, it's kind of pricey. For the thermostat, you can see it's like has all kinds of weird chunks on the thermostat. And on the housing, you guys can see right there. It's like all kinds of weird things, you know, chunky stuff. I'm gonna use the razor to scrape all of it out. See my thermostat, the housing, the inside, I cleaned out about 90% clean. All the other chunks is just way too hard to scrape out, but it's pretty good enough. Check the coolant connector too. Make sure the connector is good. The pin is not damaged, it's not corroded. The wire is not damaged, ripped, or broken. I'm just going straight from this hose. I'm just gonna go straight into the thermostat and give it new clamps, so it should be okay. I already got my thermostat in, tightened down my two bolts. Now I'm gonna put the hose straight into the thermostat pipe. Kind of greased it, makes it a little bit easier. There you go, and tighten down the clamps. Reconnect the connector. So I got everything back on, tighten down the clamps, reconnect the connector, put back my alternator connector and the cable. Already fill up the coolant, reconnect my battery, and make sure the reservoir is on full, and then go ahead and clear the code, start the car. I don't think I can show you the code anymore because I disconnected the battery. So yeah, there's no code because I disconnect the negative on the battery, but I'm just gonna clear it anyways. Clear code. There you go. But the code before was P0128 coolant thermostat. So I'm gonna cycle the key, turn it back on. Okay. And now all you gotta do is just check for the thermostat pipe, make sure it's not leaking. Check the radiator, make sure its coolant is completely filled up, and the reservoir, make sure it's on full. If everything is good, that is it for this video, guys. If you're new to the channel, please help me subscribe, comment down below, ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible, but I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.